Welcome class 3rd. In chapter 7 exercises are left. So today we will do exercises. Write today's date and fill in the blanks. FILL, fill in the blanks. So write all the sentences from page number 67. So everyone write sentences like this, and in this chapter we will write missing words in the shape of bread packet. Okay, so Mr. Smith was a very good, what he was? He was very good baker. BAKER full stop, baker. Mr. Smith was upset because his dash didn't turn out well. So why he was upset? Because his cakes, CAKES, cakes didn't turn out well. The third is farmer dash had a large farm in a quiet little village of dash. So farmer, what is the name of farmer? John, JOHN. John had a large farm in a quiet little village of Dillsbury, DILLSBURY, full stop. Next, each packet of butter weighted. What is the weight of each packet? Butter, 1 pound. ONE, 1 pound. POUND, pound, full stop. Farmer John bought his dash from Mr. Smith. What if Farmer John was taking from the Mr. Smith? His bread, BREAD. Sorry, no full stop. So next exercise is tick the correct answer. So write it. John's farm had. What he was having in the farm? Goats and sheep, cows and buffalo, honey, chicken or ducks. So the correct answer is cows and buffalo. So John's farm had cows and buffalo. Next is Mr. Smith cake were the dash in a whole village. Were the best, were the worst, were the softest and yummiest, or were the hardest? So what is the correct one? Best, worst, softest or yummiest or hardest? So Mr. Smith's cake were very soft and yummy. Next is Mr. Smith hung his head because he knew he was wrong, because his cakes were bad. The headman asked him questions. John was unhappy with him because he knew he was wrong, he was cheating others. Next, fourth one is the Mr. Smith went to the dash to complain about John. Where he had gone? Police, judge, village headman, or none of the above? So the answer is village headman. Question answers are done already. Now the next is you have to match this you have to do in copy. First is already done. Bake, chop to make the small pieces. This the last you will match with the different crayon colors. Boil. Okay, so boiling is where? This boil, D. Fry means in a oil when we cook. Okay, though we will match with B. This is fry. Beat to mix very fast. This is beating. C, match with C. 6 is grill, when we cook something on a grill. So this one 6 you will add with A. So one is already done. Second you will match with F. Third you will match with D. Fourth you will match with B. 5 with C, and the last one with the first A. Do it in your copy. So after filling the blanks, you will do match the following in your copy. Then activity. Activity is things to make cake. Which things we used to make cake? So for this, firstly draw a cake in a middle. Then in a side we will draw the things which we use to make cake. So we use butter. You can draw it much better than me. Butter, sugar, we use sugar, we use milk and flour. So draw it, color it also. So everyone complete this work. And one more thing you have to do, you have to make a video clip in which you will demonstrate how to make sandwich or how to make any cooking item without gas. Okay, thank you everyone.